These guys spotted a stunning purple drift car and came up with a brilliant idea to take photos of it while driving. But there was a catch. The drift car driver was all for it, so one of them quickly started snapping pictures. Here's where things got interesting. Rather than just sending the photos later, he made some quick edits and printed them right inside his car. The driver's reaction made it all worth it, especially when he saw the framed photo, all while both cars were still in motion. But the best part? You have to see what the drift car driver did next. It was a drift car after all.